I'm Fletch Fletchly, animal expert, and I'm here at the Audubon Zoo in New Orleans, introducing you to some real amazing, true-life animal facts. Tigers are known to occasionally breed with rabbits in a very odd sort of hybrid. It's very unsightly and very rare. As you may have learned in 9th grade biology, the howler monkey is responsible for 80% of the world's pollen. The Asian Dumbo is known to fly. I have not observed such behavior, but I am willing to bet that if I wait long enough, eventually it will happen. Sea lions are actually just lions without hair. Sometimes when zoos are running low on particular kinds of animals, they'll put in decoys. I was able to successfully sniff out that this was a painting. I once kissed a flamingo. Oh. Oh, giraffes aren't real. Okay, make sure you're recording this, because I'm going to jump into the lion's den, and we're only going to get one take out of this. Like, I can't foresee another take, so please
Gotcha.
Just make sure you're rolling. Okay. Alright. I can't believe I did that. Please tell me you're recording that. That was amazing.
I think so. I think I got it.
You think you got it?
Yeah.
You don't. I saw you press the
I mean,
button.
maybe.
You must have gotten it.
Maybe, I don't know.
It was the coolest thing I've ever done. I jumped into a lion's den. You tell me you don't know if you got it.
You don't pay me enough for this. I think I got it.
I pay you plenty. I pay you in food. This is